Here's how to access Figma's files history. So if you have something selected, you just click anywhere else, and then you click on this arrow that points down. From here, you go to the show version history. And on the right side of the screen, it will show you all the versions that have been saved, basically. So you can access them by just clicking on them. So as you can hear, 3:41 a.m. If we click on it, it will load how it was beforehand. And then if we click on the other one, it also will show how it becomes. And then you can also go to the current version by clicking over here. And it's as simple as that. Again, you just click on the arrow down below, and then you can also hide it, but then show version history, and it should show on the right side. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.